What's going on YouTube? How y'all doing? Thank you for joining me on Mondo PC. Let's open that box. So today we have a USB streaming podcast PC microphone. It does 192 kilohertz at 24-bit studio. This is a mic kit that comes with this sound card boom arm, shocking mount, and the pop filter too. So we're going to review it, we're going to set it up, and we're going to test it out in this review. So stick with me, let me set up, and let's get into it. Let's open that box. Alright, so we're going to open this box here from Amazon. Always, when you get a product from any type of shipping, you should always sanitize and spray the box. So you don't know about this corona, and you do not want to catch that. Alright. Okay. Alright. This, I cannot say that. That is a weird name there. But, okay. Get this out the way. Alright, so we're ready to unbox this microphone and just see what we're going to get. Alright. Alright, so look like we have a filter here. Box brand new. You have a filter here. Okay, we'll find out what this does. Alright. Adjustable. Wow. Alright. We have the microphone. I guess another filter, I suppose. Yeah. We have a mount here. This actually feels very sturdy. Wow. Okay. Alright. What else do we have? I'm guessing this is the microphone shock. So when you're shaking a table, it doesn't pick up the rumbling noise, I suppose. But okay. We got the microphone. A weird name, but we're gonna roll with it. Got some USB cords here. Last but not least, we have the arm. Alright, let's get this out the way. Alright. So, we're gonna put this together and see how long does it take, and then we'll go from there. And this is my demo table. It's kind of small, but we're gonna work with it for right now. Alright. So first, we're going to mount it with this here. Alright. Might be pretty simple to do as we roll it here. And also, if you look here, there's a hole right there. You want to make sure that's on top. Open it some more. Alright. Now just tighten it. Okay, pretty tight. Next up, let's get this arm on. Guess this goes into this hole here. Tighten that up. Alright. Looking good so far. Alright, so, okay. Next up, try to get this on. This one might be a little tricky. Alright, some of the rubber came off. Try to put it back on. Maybe I took out the box wrong. Let's see. Alright. Okay, so we're going to put this onto this round thing here. Alright. Just right there. Guessing now I'll put the mic on there. Wow, this is really snug, so you really got to push on here. But you should use two hands because you don't want to mess up the rubber because it's very tight. Alright. Not sure if I put it on there right. Alright, sorry, must have stopped recording for a second. And next, just put this on there, the filter. Alright. Just put this one on there. I'm not for sure what this called, but I'm going to look it up and find out what it is. If y'all guys know what this does, please just comment below. Just let me know what it does, because I'm totally not for sure what it actually does. So, just let me know. I'm guessing this goes on here. And it's very sturdy. Like, this is not like no cheap metal. I don't know if this is metal or just like really tough aluminum, but it's really sturdy. Alright. I can bring that down a little bit. So now the last thing to do now is to plug up the USB, and it goes inside the mic here. Let me try to get you a view of that. Goes in the back. It only goes one way, but I have noticed that this is the same cord that you use for a printer USB, so I'm kind of surprised that they don't use a regular 2.0 USB port on both ends. So that's really interesting. So now bring this back up, tighten this up. Only thing to do now is to connect it to the computer. Tighten this one up. Right. Looks good. All right. And just give me a moment. We're going to do a test. And I give my thoughts on this microphone kit. All right. Give me one moment. All right, we're back. All right, so I got it all hooked up here, and I got it at the right length and everything, and it seems like it's going to be working fine. I finally got it connected to my PC. It was very easy. All I did was just hook the USB into the computer, and it recognized it. And I just had to go to settings just to test it out to make sure that it's connected on Device Manager. Okay. That's how you go check to see if you hook up any USB device, anything on your computer. Always go to Device Manager. Just type in the bottom left near the window button. There's a search bar. Just go in there and then just type in Device Manager, and then you go there to see what USB or what device you have hooked up. So I finally got it hooked up here, and then I had to tighten down some screws. These arms thing here, just get it the right length that I wanted. I'm going to go to Microsoft Recorder just to do a test, and then I might have to just do a test and then relay it on the video. I'm going to retest it. I'm going to be far away, and I'm going to be close up on it, so you can actually get basically the closest raw footage I can give you. So. Here we go. All right. All right, YouTube. This is a test 1, 2, 3. Thank you for coming on my channel here and clicking on this video. This is an open box. I'm going to be far away from it. Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Good, 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 good. Loud. And now I'm soft. I'm far away. I hope it sounds very well. Now, when I move this filter, how's it going to sound? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's supposed to have some type of voice cancellation. So it's raining outside at the moment, and I don't know if you can hear it or not. Well, also, supposedly, if you turn the mic, it should only pick up what's in front of you, but behind you or beside, it's supposed to not pick it up. So we're gonna test that out. Look like I just hit something. Oh, these rubber things here. Okay. So I'm gonna test that out right now. Kind of snugged in there. It's kind of hard to take out. All right. So when I'm supposed to turn this microphone here, it's supposed to only pick up my voice, and then I should only be able to pick up what's in front of it. So right now it looks like it's picking up a lot right now. So I'm turning it. So you see what happens. It looks like it's not picking as much, but we'll find out in the testing. And I'm far away. It looks like it's still picking it up. I'm close to it. Seems like it's still picking it up. All right. So that's it with testing. Testing this mic out. All right. I'm done testing it out. I'm going to upload it onto the video. This has been an interesting to put it back in there. Here. It's very sturdy. It looks like it is metal, and it goes up and down. So it extends up and down, far back and forward too. So this has been very interesting. I would give this 4 out of 5. The only reason that this here should have a way to tighten this up because it's very wiggly here. But other than that, this was a pretty good product here. So just check it out. I'll leave the links in below here. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, because I will be putting up more video on Mondo PC. Open that box. All right. Peace. See you on the next video.